In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete module in Divi Builder. We're starting inside Divi Builder on the home page. This is important because you need to be in the Visual Builder interface before you can make changes to any page elements. Once you're on the home page and Divi Builder is open, take a moment to look over the page layout so you can identify exactly which module you want to remove. Next, locate the module you want to delete. In Divi, a module is any content block on the page, such as text, an image, a button, or another content element. If your page has several sections and rows, move carefully through the layout so you don't accidentally select the wrong item. It helps to pause for a second and confirm that you're looking at the correct module before making any edits. Once you've found the module, place your cursor over it. As you hover over the module, Divi will reveal its controls. This is a normal part of the Builder interface, and it gives you quick access to options for editing, moving, duplicating, or deleting that specific module. If you don't see the controls right away, make sure your cursor is directly over the module area and not another section nearby. After hovering over the module, a small icon menu will appear. These icons are designed to help you manage the module without opening additional settings panels. Look for the trash bin icon in that menu. That is the delete option for the module you currently have selected. Click the trash bin icon to delete the module. As soon as you do that, the module will be removed from the page layout. Be careful at this point because deleting the module means that content block will no longer appear in that spot. If you're working on a live page, it's always a good idea to double check before removing anything, especially if the module contains important text, images, or design elements. And that's all it takes to delete a module in Divi Builder. The key is to make sure you're on the correct page, find the right module, hover over it to reveal the controls, and then click the trash bin icon. If you remove the wrong module by mistake, it's best to act quickly and undo the change before continuing with other edits. With that, you now know the simple process for removing modules cleanly and efficiently in Divi Builder.